The Court of Appeal in their last sitting adjourned the Assin North MP's case to the 22nd of March 2022 after counsel for the MP, Gyekye, sought clarity on why the court had decided to use CI 47 to deal with the application for stay of execution which was pending before the court. Before that, the court registrar had issued a certificate of non-compliance to Mr. James Gyekye Quayson and his lawyers on the 24th of January 2022. It was to the effect that they were issued with Form 6, which is just a notice of dispatch of records to the Court of Appeal. This means that all the records at the High Court which had to do with the original petition had to be dispatched to the Court of Appeal. The MP had within 21 days to file his written submission, but he did not do so, and on that basis the court registrar had to issue a certificate of non-compliance. Before proceedings began on Tuesday, lawyer Gyekye indicated to the court they had filed 3 applications, one of which sought to disqualify the presiding judge from sitting on the case. But the panel indicated that such applications were not before them, and based on that they will go ahead to deal with the matters before them. The judge dismissed the appeal before the panel and ordered that all other applications that hinged on the appeal be struck out as well. According to the presiding judge, one cannot put something on nothing and expect it to stand. And since the main appeal has been struck out, all other applications and motions related to the case of the Assin North MP have also been dismissed. Representative of Michael Ankumanimfa, the Assin North resident who challenged the eligibility of Gyekye Quayson at the High Court, Richard Techimensa, told the media his team knew from the outset that the MP did not have a case.
Now that there's no appeal pending against the judgment of Justice Quayson, that's the Cape Coast High Court judge, who gave his judgment on the 28th of July 2021, that judgment stands because at the moment there's no appeal against that judgment, and therefore the judgment stands, and Mr. Gyekye Quayson does not qualify to be the MP for Assin North, and the order that was given to the EC to go and conduct fresh parliamentary elections in Assin North still holds.
Mr. Techimensa, who is also the Central Regional Secretary of the NPP, says they would wait on the Electoral Commission to kickstart the processes for the by-election.
With this, then we are waiting for the EC to give its directives or position on this, that to declare the seat vacant. And when that one is duly done, then the NPP as a party will also go in and do the needful.
One issue that is yet to be dealt with is the contempt case filed by the lawyers for the Assin North MP against the petitioner, Michael Ankumanimfa. Reporting for Joy News, Richard Quayson, Cape Coast.